Hey everyone, I'll be showing you my favorite Procreate brushes today. So we're starting out with the sketch brushes, and I like the HB pencil, and I'll just swatch it out for you. Another sketch brush I like to use would be the 6B pencil. It's just a little bit thicker and a little bit darker when you tilt your pencil to the side to get the shading. Now for line art, I like to use syrup because it has a lot of line weight variation, as you can see. Perfect. I just love syrup. It's so syrupy. It's smooth. I don't know. I love it. But another one that you can use is the technical technical pen. And it's a little bit thicker and it's less smooth in my opinion, but it still works. Now for blend, I like to use for one medium hard blend. This is the medium hard blend. It's not my favorite, but it gets the job done. My favorite would probably be the soft brush. I think it is soft airbrush. I'm about to show you. Yeah, soft brush right there at the top. This one is my favorite. And last but not least, we have flat color, and for flat color, I like using the round brush. That's all. Follow me for more.